Brian Senyondo omutendeki wa Kitarwa FC hamwe na Hussein Mbarangu wa NEC FC bayoreka ko betegurire kurungi omuzaano gw'akamaririzo ogw'empaka za Uganda Cup ogurabeho rwa mukagoru aha Chai Wankurukoko. Timu zombiri nezijo mu final ahabwo murundo gwabo gwo kubanza.
Manyi Kitara gali nnyo mu maaso naye nga eri team eri balanced. Tolabera tebabateeba nnyo naye bateeba nnyo. So kitegeeza nti amaanyi gaabwe engeri gye bateeba gawa emabega eno okukola ki okugumira. Era olaba nti basooka bateeba oluusi bayisibwa bubi. So kitwagala okukola nti twagala tugenda kugezaho okulaba nga tunafulya amaanyi gaabwe ale tukozese obunafu bwabwe tubeere nga omupiira tuguwangula.
Omu byafaayo by'empaka ezi Kitara n'emwe ha tiimu ezirimu Vipers Sports Club na Bor FC ezaremirwe hake okusinga empaka za Uganda Premier League ekikopo kirikuzo wa Sports Club Villa kandi amasiko g'okusinga ekikopo season egi gari mu mpaka ezi.
It has all been God. I wouldn't have done all this without God. That is what I can say. And with everything that I've tried to achieve this season, right from the first game, the drum, the league, Uganda Cup, everything I can say has been moving on smoothly.
It being a first time for me to be at a cup final, I don't think there is a lot of pressure. But I think that the team has experienced players who will at least guide us because we have people who have won this cup before.
Kitaro kuhika haruengoru ekashoza Vipers Sports Club na Pajore Lions kandi yo NEC FC ekihamu timu ya Bor FC okuzomuza akamaririzo omusinguzi w'empaka ezi n'okusingura miliyoni 50 kandi owakabiri akwate miliyoni 25 kandi omusinguzi naija kutunga ticket y'okujwekera Uganda omu mpaka za Africa eza CAF Confederations Cup ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West.